Christmas to all of you! In today's video, we are going to make DIY for Christmas. So the first thing I'm going to make is a Christmas tree, and here I have a birthday cap. I'm using that as my base. You can use a paper and make it into cone shape and also use it. For the leaves, take a green colored paper and fold it into half. Now fold the paper in zigzag form. Now cut the paper into diamond shape. Now cut those sides and make thin strips. Now using scissors, make curls. One paper may not be sufficient, so use 2 or 3 papers. Now it's time to stick the leaves. This is how the tree looks. Now we are going to make the gift box. So we need 2 papers of any color, and you have to mark 21 centimeters each and cut it. This is the most important step, so please look carefully and do it. Now for the cap, you have to take 20 centimeters each. You can follow the previous steps. This is how we make this cute gift box. Now we are going to make strips. This one measures 1.5 into 10 and this one measures 1.5 into 15. So this is how we make this cute little box. And this star, I've already made a video about this, so make sure you watch that video. Its link would be given below the description. And this is how the tree looks. I have decorated it with some beads and some flowers. And now it's time to place the star. So this is how our tree looks. It looks really gorgeous. I hope you guys really enjoyed my video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share and comment.